Hello everyone. In today's tutorial I will show you how you can upload a song from Spotify to your Instagram bio. First we will go to Spotify and select the song we want. After that, we will click on the three dots on the right side of the song we want. On the first pop-up click on Share button. When the second pop-up window opens, click on the copy link. After that we will open Instagram. We click on the profile. Once our profile is open, click the Edit Profile button. In the options that are offered to us, we select Links. In the window, select Add External Link. In the next window, enter the song link in the first field. In the second we type the title we want. This way you can share the music you like on your Instagram. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.